Igwe sir, how will you describe the inclusivity of Governor Mbah's administration? Is it a one-sided kind of leadership, or is his project in the infrastructure, is it an inclusive one? How can you describe that, Igwe?
Thank you. I will tell you a story. Peter Mbah is a game-changing phenomenon. Somebody you can't describe in 1 minute. His love for Enugu is magical and legendary. He said you cannot quarrel with success.
You cannot quarrel with success.
So that's why I say you can't quarrel with Peter Mbah. He's a successful guy. That's why I bring it home. So you cannot. There's nothing to quarrel with.
Yeah.
Under 2 years and 3 months since changed, he's a national figure. We're trying to package him for the next national level. Peter Mbah gave the political will.
Yeah.
He gave the political will for it to be achieved. It couldn't have been possible without him. So the changes has come. The changes, is innate. It's not. That's why I say you can't quarrel. Nobody can come and. I mean, he's his own political party. Peter Mbah is a political party.
Peter Mbah
is a political party.
Is a political party.
Yeah.